The sounds we're going to practice in this video is the sound N. Repeat after me, N. 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 N in nest. Again, nest. Nike. Again, Nike. Net. Again, net. Nurse. Again, nurse. Nephew. Again, nephew. Nut. Again, nut. Number. Again, number. Naughty. Again, naughty. What other words have the initial sound N? N in lunch. Again, lunch. Warning. Again, warning. Donation. Again, donation. Dynasty. Again, dynasty. Animal. Again, animal. Gender. Again, gender. Final. Again, final. Kidney. Again, kidney. What other words have the middle sound N? N in colon. Again, colon. Dumb. Again, dumb. Refrain. Again, refrain. Join. Again, join. Virgin. Again, virgin. Explain. Again, explain. Question. Again, question. Man. Again, man. What other words have the final sound N? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Naughty nurse. Again, naughty nurse. Nonsense warning. Again, nonsense warning. Northern Netherlands. Again, Northern Netherlands. Final number. Again, final number. Explain the question. Again, explain the question. Now, let's practice sentence with this sound. Ready? I want to donate my kidney for Nori. Again, I want to donate my kidney for Nori. The novel is written by Anonymous. Again, the novel is written by Anonymous. Please lend some money to opportunities. Again, please lend money to opportunities. Pin your nameplate on your uniform. Again, pin your nameplate on your uniform. Take note the information written on the board. Again, take note the information written on the board. The sounds we just practiced in this video is the sound na. Repeat after me, na. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Bye!